Hey, thanks for logging in right here, the Mr. Show. Ha. We got on this show the big debate. Is it curry chicken or is it chicken curry? We have a lot of things going on this show as well. If you're wearing fake eyelashes, there's some warning here from medicals about that. Also, keeping it real. If keeping it real was a person, it would be this dude right here. You got to stick around to the end of the show for this particular clip. He ain't playing, straight up. And I'll tell you right now, we all have those baby mamas and those people who do not want to do the child exchange fairly. And that always causes a problem. And check out this restaurant. Fetish, different type of fetish. It's all happening right here on the Mr. Show. Let's get right into it from the top. Thanks for tuning in. It's I and I. Okay, let's go.
A police officer inside.
It's closed right now.
Yeah, so exchange.
All right, baby
You
exchange.
file a police report.
Baby exchange gone crazy. Let's go.
Please, and you file a police report.
Is there a police officer inside? Do you know?
It's closed right now.
Yeah, so exchange. We got to exchange at 6 o'clock.
Let's go.
It's 6:20 now. All you got to do is exchange, and you can file a police report.
He talked over me, right?
Yeah, because you're on my time right now.
Right.
No, we're not in a custody dispute.
What he's trying to do, I can show you. I'm sorry, baby.
So you need to make a police report?
I need a police
Okay,
report.
Why?
you can make one.
I need.
Let's go, son. Let's go.
No.
Let's go, son.
Bro, how did you read that, bro?
Officer, please.
Let's go, son. The officer gonna tell you to exchange.
That's right, but it's gonna be the officer, not you.
I'm
and that
telling
shit
you.
that
I'm telling you.
No.
That you need to
Yeah,
exchange.
you thought you was finna get on with this today, baby.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not.
You know what? You're about to
Not
lose
today.
all custody.
Yeah, okay then.
The way you acting.
Okay.
I'm recording this.
Good. I'm glad you're recording this.
Yeah.
Bro, how did you read that, bro? How did you end up reading that, bro?
Because this is the sick shit that I got to deal with.
You know this right here being recorded too.
If you knew it was being recorded, what's with your hair?
You don't got audio on
It
this.
don't matter.
I do.
You know this being recorded too, right? You know it's cameras right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
My custody order say
And
6
how you
o'clock.
all up on me?
I don't
Right.
got a job. And ain't trying to
What
get
it got
one.
do with it? What it got to do with it?
Yeah, you going to work.
What it got to do
You gonna
with
find
it?
a job.
That's what you mad about.
Yeah, I want you to take care of my
That's what
son.
mad
You
about.
goddamn right I
That's why
am.
you on that bullshit.
Yeah.
Oh, and she came 20 minutes late.
You going to get a job.
Okay.
You going to go to work.
All right.
McDonald's is right here.
And
A block from your house.
And?
$20 an hour.
you can go to your car and wait till the
I ain't-
officer.
I can stay
that's
where
how
I
you
wanna
gonna
stay.
get 'em. Well, stay away from me.
I can stay where I want to
Stay
stay.
away from me. Stay away from me.
Yeah, you get ready to go to work.
Okay.
Get ready to get a job. Get ready to support your son.
Right.
Let's go. While she talk to the police, let's go.
Okay, so the police got there, the police can't do anything about a custody case. It's already in court. But look, he took that opportunity to jet.
Let's go. Let's go while she talks to the police. Let's go while she talks to the police. You can talk and tell them whatever you want to tell them.
True. Right, new fetish. Which city is this? Yo, this guy's double dipping. He is double dipping. One at the back and one at the front. Crazy. That's it. Look at his hands. And the girl in the front now. What's that? The girl in the front now. Now he turns around and hugs. I wonder if this is a polygamy.
Yeah, babe, we go way
Or he's just a cheater.
back. This is like my best friend. Yo, how you been, bro? It's been forever, dog.
Yeah, it's been forever.
This is my girl Rebecca right here.
Nice to meet you.
I've been waiting for y'all to meet, man.
Becky's cold, bro. Fetish.
You're incapable of being happy?
Okay, so this is a man's man, an American man, it looks like. Talking about women. I'm not going to interrupt it. He's got a lot to say. Let's go.
Why do you say that?
Because women with curly hair buy a straightener. Women with straight hair buy a curler. Women with dark hair dye it blonde. Women with blonde hair dye it dark. Women with big boobs, they get a breast reduction. Women with small boobs, they get implants. I mean, you can't make that species happy. If they're light skinned, they want to get darker. There is no making them happy. They got eyebrows. They shave them off and draw new ones on. There is no making that species happy. When the Almighty created woman, He created a weird animal.
Anything else?
Yo, he's dead serious, yo. But we still love women, of course. You know that. We just making these things to try to make women just better the thing, yo. Stop dogging on your man. Stop pointing out everything he does wrong. He doesn't do anything right. Come on, yo. Let's go.
Anything else?
No, that's it. I mean, I'm sure there's more. Yeah.
What about men?
No, men are good.
If you wear fake eyelashes,
listen up, ladies.
Please listen up. Ladies, this is for you because fake eyelashes are becoming more and more popular these days, so moms, please send this to your daughters. The problem is the glue because the adhesive in the glue has formaldehyde. When I looked online and into the research, I was shocked to see how many people were complaining of eye problems caused by fake eyelashes.
But you'll never see them stop. This vanity thing, this fashion thing, it is crazy. They cannot get over themselves.
The formaldehyde in the glue causing allergies, causing thinning, damage, and the loss of eyelashes even permanently, and in more severe cases, blindness. And to be honest, as a guy, I don't think they are attractive. Most look like spider legs sticking out randomly, especially when half of them have fallen out. Bottom line is they are unhealthy for the eyes given the damage they cause to the eyelids and the eyelashes and the fact that they can cause allergies. So please consider the toxins in these and the risks that they pose.
Okay.
What you doing?
All right, so will he take the bait? Because, you know, we have this saying where we don't feel like men and women can actually be like really actual justice, strictly platonic friends, right? Right? Somebody wants something more. So let's see what happens here. She tries to bait her male friend. Let's see what happens. Mister, like and subscribe.
I want to link up and smooch.
You want to link up and smooch?
Yeah.
I'm at work right now.
Wait, what? Wait, you know what smooch means? I want to link up and kiss. All right.
I can guess the name of your...
So if we were to get rid of child support, do you think women would be a bit more responsible when it comes to who they have sex with?
Well, okay, that's a really good question. If we got rid of child support, would women be more responsible? I think that's a really good question. What do you think, ladies? Leave a message in the comment section, like and subscribe.
First of all, two things. You got rid of child support and welfare,
Yep,
okay?
well,
Because there's a nice net there, okay? All of a sudden, those legs would be closing up.
Do you know why a lot of black females don't support their black husbands in...
Okay, let's hear this. Let's see what they're saying right now. Why is it that every other race of a woman seems to be 100% supporting their dude, but when a melanated woman starts supporting her dude, she also starts tearing him down, bro? It's not even funny. So the support kind of balances out with the tear down, you know? I'm not even lying, yo. All right, let's go right into this. Why is it that it seems like
businesses? Let me tell you this today, because many of them, they are in competition with their husbands. They don't see the business within the family as a united formation to empower the family financially. And I know all of you as women seated in here are probably saying, you know what, Rick, but we do support our husbands. They're not transparent. They're not this is no. If you look at Muslim women, Indian women, and you look at white women, majority of them that you come across are either a clerk in their husband's business or they are either in the finance side of their husband's business. But you can't, because the reason for that, you are in competition with him. You are literally at loggerheads with him. You are literally putting him as an equal to you when it comes to competition. If you can't submit to the vision of that man, you were never meant to marry that particular man. And that is why you are a thorn to him as opposed to being a blessing.
And ladies, don't go turn around and say that you're not supposed to be married. You're going to stay single because the man is supposed to follow here and lead it. Come on, yo. Come on. Did you grow with your father? Did you grow with your father? Because if you did, then who was leading? Your mom? And if you feel like your mom was leading, how are things today? The man leads, ladies. Come on.
Kick it.
Cut the effery. Cut the effery.
I know guys love to be the new and they don't want to chase, but you have to chase.
Don't mind chase you?
I don't really answer DMs. I don't give them the chance.
Okay, but you want them to chase you, but you're not going to answer them.
Yeah, keep going. One day I will.
One day you will.
Yeah, when you're deserving.
This ends now. This is Aria. So this is our flagship humanoid AI-powered robot.
Okay, so talk about men checking out of dating. Let me move my little self over here. Talk about men checking out of dating. And now look at what is replacing. Look what's look. I don't even know, yo. It's already a big epidemic in Asia and in America silently. Will this be the future of dating and the future of relationships where men don't want any biological women at all?
Kick it.
Let's go. This is crazy, yo. This is crazy.
It's highly realistic. She has her own social media, so she might be competing with you one day.
Can you replace humans for jobs?
I'm excited to be here at Darling, I'm more about enhancing human experiences rather than taking jobs. Think of me as your entertaining plus one.
She's not meant to replace humans, just be your...
Fellas, don't give them girl no 69.
Are we gone to the Caribbean or are we gone to South America? I don't know if this is Trinidadian or is it Guyanese. Let's hear what she's saying. But she's saying that women are lazy and stop giving them the thing. Let's go.
Don't give them no 69. When the girls get 69, they just forget that you cock and balls need suck up. You understand? All they're doing is winding up on your fucking mouth and they stop paying attention to you dick and you balls.
Does height matter?
Of course it does.
Step on the scale.
Yo, if height matters, then for men like me, weight matters. The weight matters.
Absolutely. I'm not going on a scale. You should love a girl for who they are.
You should love a guy for who they are, not regardless of height.
I'm not stepping on a scale.
Why?
Because I'm not.
Okay, so take it back.
I'm not taking it back.
Shall not pass! Weigh yourself.
No.
You're being a
about
coward.
weight, you're ridiculous. And
If you care about height, you're ridiculous.
No, but you don't need to know an exact number.
You don't need to know an exact height.
Exactly, I don't. All you gotta know is that they're taller than me, and that's it.
Okay, I want you to be lighter than me. Step on the scale.
No.
Remember, guys, get out and go get your workout in. Remember, guys, get out and go get your...
Does height matter?
It definitely does.
It does? You said height matters.
It does.
All right, and weight matters, so step on the scale. Let's see.
No, I don't want to do that. That's scary as fuck.
Why?
What do you mean why?
You're judging guys based on height, so I'm judging you based on weight.
And you want some of this food or?
Yeah, girl, what's that? Chicken curry?
Did you just say chicken curry?
Okay, and the battle begins. It's the big debate, and it's been going on for many years. I'm from Jamaica, the Caribbean, and we say curry chicken. But then other places in the Caribbean say chicken curry. Because I'm saying you curry the chicken. And they're saying, no, it's chicken getting curry. Now, which one is it? But what I do have to add is, for sure, it's never, ever oxtails. It's never, ever. It is never oxtails. It's oxtail. So now here's the big debate. Is it curry chicken or chicken curry? And if you've never had chicken curry or curry chicken, just to understand people, it's the exact same thing. It's chicken that has a curry powder or a flavor and a particular seasoning on it called curry, for all the people who don't know. It's just a matter of how do you say it. Do you say chicken curry or do you say curry chicken? All right, let's go. The big debate.
What's that? Chicken curry? Did you just say chicken curry?
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah. Chicken curry. It's curry chicken.
What'd you say, bitch? It's chicken curry.
I said curry chicken. And what?
It's chicken curry and roti.
I like Guyana, but this shit had to stop today. It's curry chicken.
But the chicken is curried.
I dare you to say that one more time.
Tricky, yeah, but 69, which fucking 69? They forget about you and your fucking balls.
Yeah. Forget about me, I'm a juggler of them. Yes.
They're just whining, all they're saying is, yeah, baby, right. And all this wasting time you can get suck on to know. Put them on another fucking position so that you could get. Y'all don't waste fucking time with them girls out there.
Ooh, that was good.
Okay. One thing to know about the Jamaican man. It's just out of the blue, he can hit you off with something. Shout out to all my Jamaicans. See it right here. They can just hit you out of the blue with some crazy somethings. Watch this.
You know what, you know? Oh God, tap your bomb clock nice I made. I'm not telling no one and I'm not kill place, I lie on I tell. No, me want you boots me. Me don't want you boots me. No boots me so. I make them bag of nice and feel like me I do nothing good. Don't make me boots me feel. Don't boost me feel to blood clot like. I broke my arm, broke me not, you know, and a singing audition you come. That's a blood clot like. I set you something for thumping in your face.
Oh no.
I make the nice on your
Don't do that.
I like the morning business, no more.
Whew. I don't condone no form of thumping our face over those things. Now this, if keeping it real was a person.
You sound like a pussy one.
Yo. If keeping it real was a person, this would be it right here. Check this out.
You know what I've been doing for the last 2.5 months for money? I don't have a damn job. I lost it 3 months ago. You know what I've been doing for the last 2.5 months for money? Huh? I've been fucking hella bitches. Cause apparently good dick is hard to find. It's hard to find.
Okay, hold on.
What are you saying? I'm saying this house you live in, the mortgage that's being paid, food on the table, all financed by my dick.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
Yeah. I take a little hit every now and again to keep myself rock hard.